Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic, kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in maintaining our overall well-being, and there are certain habits we need to break to ensure their optimal function. In this video, we'll be discussing 13 bad habits that you should avoid to promote healthier kidneys. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or another qualified healthcare provider regarding any medical condition or treatment. Reliance on any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. The kidneys play a pivotal role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Acting as the body's natural filtration system, these bean-shaped organs filter waste products, excess fluids, and toxins from the bloodstream, which are then excreted as urine. Furthermore, they regulate electrolyte levels, blood pressure, and red blood cell production. Without properly functioning kidneys, our body's internal balance would be compromised, leading to a cascade of health issues. Understanding and valuing the importance of these vital organs is essential for promoting our overall health and vitality. Our first habit to break is not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney function, as it helps to flush out toxins from the body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Excessive salt intake can lead to high blood pressure and strain on the kidneys. Try to reduce your salt intake by avoiding processed foods and opting for fresh, whole foods. Next up, overindulging in sugary drinks like sodas and energy drinks can increase your risk of kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. Opt for water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices instead. Ignoring high blood pressure is a big no-no. Uncontrolled hypertension can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys over time. Regular monitoring and medication as advised by your doctor are essential. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can impair kidney function and contribute to kidney disease. Quit smoking and limit alcohol intake to protect your kidneys. Overusing non-prescription painkillers can harm your kidneys. These medications can reduce blood flow to the kidneys and lead to kidney damage. Consult a healthcare professional before taking any medication regularly. Leading a sedentary lifestyle can contribute to obesity and high blood pressure, both of which can negatively impact kidney health. Engage in regular physical activity to support overall health, including your kidneys. Consuming too much protein, especially animal-based protein, can strain the kidneys. Opt for a balanced diet with appropriate protein intake to avoid putting unnecessary stress on your kidneys. Skipping regular health checkups can lead to undiagnosed kidney issues. Regular screenings can catch problems early and help you take preventative measures. Poorly managed diabetes can cause kidney damage over time. It's crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels and follow your doctor's recommendations for managing diabetes effectively. Holding in urine for extended periods can increase the risk of urinary tract infections and kidney problems. Listen to your body and don't delay trips to the restroom. While moderate caffeine consumption is generally fine, excessive intake can lead to dehydration and potentially strain the kidneys. Be mindful of your caffeine intake. Finally, a poor diet high in processed foods, saturated fats, and sugary snacks can contribute to kidney issues. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Thank you for joining us today to learn about these 13 bad habits that you should break for healthier kidneys. Remember, small changes in your lifestyle can make a big difference in maintaining optimal kidney function. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Stay healthy, everyone. Until next time, take care.